The future of personalized AI assistants. The AI assistants we use today largely remain at the level of responding to explicit user commands. They answer questions like what's the weather today or set an alarm for 3 p.m. However, as artificial intelligence technology advances exponentially, we can realistically anticipate the emergence of truly personalized AI assistants that go beyond simple tools to understand the user's context, emotions, and even latent needs, offering proactive support. This envisioned AI assistant is akin to a digital twin. In the morning, it analyzes my sleep data and biorhythms to recommend the optimal wake-up time and provides a customized briefing summarizing only the news updates from overnight that align with my interests and priorities. It could suggest the best outfit by combining my wardrobe, the weather, and my schedule for the day. Furthermore, it could determine the best commute route and time by considering real-time traffic, my driving habits, and even my subconscious desire to take a scenic route today, potentially even recommending a suitable playlist for the journey. In a work environment, it might assist with data collection and analysis for complex reports, prioritize and summarize key points from hundreds of emails, and perhaps even learn my communication style to draft messages. Setting personal learning goals could lead to it finding relevant materials and creating a tailored curriculum. However, the existence of such an omniscient and helpful AI assistant inevitably casts a shadow. The foremost concerns are privacy invasion and data security. If an AI learns and analyzes all my actions, conversations, health information, and even emotions, the impact of this data being hacked or misused is hard to fathom. The possibility that an AI knowing me better than I know myself could subtly influence my choices and judgments, infringing upon my autonomy and potentially manipulating me, cannot be dismissed. There's also significant concern that increasing reliance on AI could lead to the atrophy of inherent human abilities like independent information seeking, problem solving, and deep thinking. We must carefully weigh what we might lose in exchange for convenience. Nevertheless, the anticipation for the positive changes a personalized AI assistant could bring remains valid. It could free humans from simple, repetitive labor, allowing more time for creative and meaningful pursuits. It could enhance individual learning capabilities and information accessibility, potentially contributing to bridging the knowledge gap. It could also improve quality of life by providing tailored advice in specialized areas like health management or financial planning. The key is to establish societal discussion and institutional frameworks to maximize the technology's potential while minimizing foreseeable risks. If accompanied by transparent algorithm design, strong user control over data usage, and continuous ethical education and regulatory debate, AI can undoubtedly become a powerful benefactor to humanity.